Today I'm going to teach you about putting on mascara, blow dryer style. So the first thing that we're going to do here is I'm going to open my tube of mascara. So when you first use your mascara, you're going to want to make sure that your wand is pretty clean. If you have any of that excess stuff there like that, you just kind of want to wipe it off and make sure that your wand is clean. Then you put on your mascara just like you normally would, base to tip, and make sure all lashes are fully coated. Now I like to do the top to the bottom as well, just to get a a little bit thicker illusion of because my eyelashes are very thin. So once you do that, get all that on there. Now I have a second step which I put the fibers on. Again, you want to make sure there's no loose ends on the fibers. If you use regular mascara, you can do this trick as well, because this will benefit any mascara. It doesn't have to be this particular one. So once I get the fibers on, which go midway all the way up to the tips, I'm going to make sure it's on warm. And I'm actually going to turn it on low because I really don't want to, blow my eyeballs off, but and what that's going to do, it's going to not only seal the fibers on there, but it's also going to curl your lashes. And then I'm going to coat it with another coat of mascara. So not only are my fibers sealed on with the hair dryer, I'm also resealing it with the gel. And my eyelashes are now curled because of the heat from the blow dryer. And there we go.